On February 22nd, 2018, I reached a milestone of 50 subscribers. But then on February 25th, 2018, someone unsubscribed. So I uploaded this video in the hope that I could get back that lost subscriber, but nothing happened. So I decided to upload another video much later and see where that would get me, and all was well. I would do my best to get back that one person who left this community. But on March 7th, 2018, I recorded this really funny video of my dog, and I really wanted to upload that, so I took a few drastic measures to ensure that I got my 50 subscribers. Hey, don't judge me, it's only temporary. When I get my 50 subscribers legit, then I'll delete the account, I promise. Plus, I only subscribed, it's not like I did anything else with it. So let's say you were minding your own business one day when you... anyway. Yay, we reached 50 subscribers, it only took 3 years. At this rate, we'll reach 100 subscribers in the year 2021. Oh well, it would be cool if we could hit puberty on that YouTube sub count. So anyway, enough talking. Here's the video that I recorded of my dog.
Bobby. Good boy.
So yeah, that's what inspired me to make this video. Don't judge me, it's pretty funny. What do you mean this video was a waste of your time? Come on. Okay, fine, I know. I guess it was pretty useless.
Just like you useless stool!
What do you want from me?
Oh, I don't know, maybe an actual video for once?
Alright, fine, because you told me to. Here's an actual video of my dog. Enjoy!
Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again, boom. Ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Oh, whoa, whoa, bip, a bip, a dip, oh, life could be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, maybe we'd be so fine.
Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, if I could take you up in paradise up above. Shaboom, and tell me, darling, I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, life could be a dream. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Shaboom, if I could take you up in paradise up above. Shaboom, and tell me, darling, I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Boom, boom, boom. Ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang, a lang, a lang, oh, bip, a bip, a dip, oh, life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom.
Hey, did you like that movie thing? It only took us a very long time to make. My poor dog is tired of acting for me. So anyway, if you enjoyed, be sure to give this video a like and maybe subscribe. So, fun fact, we groomed Bobby after we recorded this video, and now he looks like this. But anyway, thanks for the 50 subscribers, and thanks for watching.
Bobby.